Hi, I'm Colby from the Merck Coffee and Juice Bar, and I wanted to show you how to make the Health Nut Power Up. This is one of our most popular smoothies that we make here at the Merck, and you can make it at home really easily. So this is almond milk. That's going to be your base. If you don't like almond milk, you can use a different kind of milk. That'll be fine. This is cold press concentrate. We make this here in-house using Broadway coffee from Kansas City. It's really good. We make it like every single day. We run through a lot of it here in the store, but you can buy a bottle of it for your home, and you can use it to make smoothies or iced coffee. We also use cacao powder and maca just to give it a little bit more flavor, and bananas, which are going to be your frozen element in the smoothie, and also just peanut butter. We're going to take 2 frozen bananas, a half teaspoon of cacao, and a half teaspoon of maca powder, a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter, some agave nectar, just a little bit if you want it to be sweeter. You can also use honey if you prefer, or you can just leave it out altogether. 8 ounces of almond milk, and 2 ounces of our cold press concentrate. And we're just going to blend it all up.